So in another video, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome vending machine. Looks like this dumb vending machine. It's really awesome. Works on any device and any version that has the command block within a PC or laptop. There's my computer, I like PC. So now let's get started. But I'll do this first. I want my you need one emerald, so let's get emerald. Then switch first. I made this in survival mode, but you don't believe me. It's okay. I just took it 2 times making it. But the command block, I took it. So, now, I'm gonna get the rain. Oh no, sorry. No. Now, 31 pieces of emerald because I really spent one of those as I tested it out. Now, this costs 9. No, I only have 29 because I spent lots. This is 9 emeralds, as you can set aside. I'll show you here. It says here, you have been given Ender Pearl 9. Gave Ender Pearl 9 to Adventure Girl HQ. Title, command successfully thing. Because there, okay. Now this costs purchase item, as you can see there. Now emeralds, 20 cookies. It will give me 29 because this is one. This costs 1 thingy, and now I'll just put them in my item thingy. Okay, let's put this in my junk items. So I got stocks of emeralds because I use the emeralds for trading for the villagers. So now I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's go the items we need. Of course, everybody needs command block creation. I'll leave a link who made this on the video. First, you need command block and a block of choice. I'll use that one. And item frame and buttons. I'll get the buttons later. Block of choice is a diamond emerald. It's diamond block. Just remove that because my house will be so sick. I'll just do it for there. Boom. So need using the pen. It's really easy. You can restart over. So now you just do this. Okay. I'm not sure if this is how many pieces. Okay. Really, it's only the big 4x4. Now, just do it later, and now you place your command blocks at the back. 3x3 command blocks should be facing this way. Now you go down and cut again. Now let's do it later, and now let's check the buttons. Any button of choice because there's 2 types of buttons, so I'll use this one now, or you can use a lever. I think so, you can use one, and anything. So now I'll just first things first. You see there at the side, first you click on that one. I click on, you put on chain, conditional. I don't know why it's gonna be conditional, because I'll just tell you later why it's gonna be conditional. Always active, we don't need redstone. Conditional again. Chain, not repeat. So if you're worried, it's really hard. If it looks like really hard, but it's really easy. Only two same blocks and keep a chain. And guys, see at the side, it's all spacing that way, and it should be at the front, and it should face that way, because if it doesn't face that way, it will not work. Let's do it the same. I'm gonna only do one, because you're gonna do all the same, except okay, you don't need to change that. Okay, conditional, always active, chain. Yeah, we need always active. So first, any choice of item to purchase with. So now let's start. Let's go with emeralds. Clear P emerald and 0. How many emeralds you wanna purchase with the item is, I'm just gonna use one of you. You can, okay, you can use ambrose with it, but you didn't use it. Let's use ambrose for to name the item. I'm gonna just use one piece of it, because yeah. So now let's place the cookie there, and one. You can make it the colored one. So now one. Okay, what's a 1 1 emerald each. I'll just put each on it. And then 1 emerald only. You can make it colored, 1 emerald. So say 1 emerald. Boom. You're gonna put something. Sorry about my dumbness. Let's remove that. Okay. Second row. Emerald, I'll use 1 and now. Okay. I'll leave the link down below. What are you gonna do for you to not keep pressing it? Okay, remember, should place the arrows. There's like arrows. And now you're going to give the cookie. And now you click on 1. And now you click on this one. If I got wrong spelling, it's just a game and I don't care. So now you're going to put title P action bar, no space. And you can make it colored. You can use 0. It's gonna be black. Action bar 0. I'll use purchase item. Boom. You click on that one. Boom. You got a cookie. Except that is colored cookie, not really colored. But thanks for watching. Leave a like on the video and share to friends, and you can save it offline for you to watch it and watch it again for your friends to watch it too. Thanks for watching.